Viva esse! Acha que é isso? Viva! Viva esse!
So the ANC rally in celebration of the legacy of the late ANC president Nelson Mandela has just concluded here at the Makwarela Stadium. Hundreds and thousands of ANC members and supporters gathered at the Makwarela Stadium in Sibasa in celebration of Nelson Mandela. The ANC chairperson and premier of Limpopo Province, Dr. Popira Matuba, giving the keynote of address where she reassured members and supporters of the ANC of the good thing that the party is doing and yet to do, and also hoping that come November 4th for the local government election, people will vote for the ANC. And she has also reassured the members of the ANC that the ANC is hard at work. But for more, listen to this clip and hear what she has to say.
We're moving forward towards the local government elections. Kinako, nichipinga, inkari, lokumolungisa, vanubarivala hinkwash. Even if people spend 10 years without drinking water, if you fix it today, people will remember the water that they are drinking today. If people were drinking water 10 years ago, today the tap is broken, people forget that they are drinking water 10 years ago. So that is why you must always be on top of your game.
MEC arrive or the minister nabone bachishika rifanele takuwa ngauri oshika not in Limpopo. If you are used to be capturing mayors, it's very expensive to capture the premier of Limpopo. My budget is 92 billion. Who has 92 billion to can capture me? If you want to capture me, raise 92 billion because the ANC has given me that mandate to look after 92 billion. So you can't capture me. It's very difficult. You can't. I'm not cheap. Do not reduce me to a Gucci or a Louis Vuitton bag. Please, not me. You are lost. So I will come and I will remove you as the MM, and if it's difficult, I will ask the ANC to come and ask caucus to call you to resign. If you refuse, we will remove you. You take us to court, I will go and defend myself and ask the judge, how will you feel when after opening the door, you find sewage spillage for 6 months, people reporting and you are ignoring them, and I must smile at you. My people did not vote for me for that. They voted for me to bring services. I know I am not loved. Some of you love to hate me. Some of you hate to love me.
Look at us today, President. We are 13 years today. Even if they can bring a helicopter, there is nothing that they can do. Namusa, Arilali, Ayuna Olala Venda, Venda Namusa, Tikovuya. Happy birthday, EFF, happy birthday. Happy birthday, EFF, happy birthday. This one is for vendors. Vendors are so useless. They are even far. They don't care about them. Vendors are cowards. They won't fight back. The people of Limpopo are fools as they refer to them. We disbanded their government. They didn't do anything. We can close their bank. They won't do anything. Can you imagine such nonsense being done in KZN? They will never do.
Limpopo ne Eastern Cape. Amanye wama province asupporta ANC kakhulu. I mean, if get ukuthi ANC host ku one of our stadium was because us ANC supporters in Limpopo at Makwarela Stadium Thoyando for ANC Limpopo Province Mandela Legacy Raid. So one of our country, I'm a province, sorry. azohlezi support, even though ANC doesn't deliver at all. Even though ANC I believe is like a toxic boyfriend, ezohlezi ibuya, even though ichera ithi mdapha kanjani, izovela ithi ngiyaxolisa, next time uzokwenzela better. Because what do you mean ukuthi kungaze kugcwale kanje? I mean, iye Northwest, iye Gauteng, iye KZN, iye Western Cape, iya eBloemfontein, wena nje wabalela ama province, they say no, thina sishapa sifuna ANC, and then there is come Limpopo, the Eastern Cape, it's ukubona isithobe the way kugcwele ngakhona. Like, imagine this thing, Limpopo. So in Limpopo, they don't care about service delivery. They don't care at all about the service delivery. And the Batibona, Limpopo is one of my province are rich. I disagree. Angali, they are building a bigger house, whatever. But party, kunezinye indawo zaseLimpopo very poor kakhulu. So kungasibale ikhona nje izigrand zaseLimpopo right, but ayizonke. Ku West Eastern Cape badla ikaka, abaphefumula ikaka, bahamba phezulu kwekaka. Yabo, whatever ANC is doing to Limpopo iyasebenza. That's why Batibona, they don't want a match in Limpopo, because they can handle themselves. But I mean, ngiyala sikhokho sami. Phela kugcwele kanjani? Mass of people abagcwele la stadium supporting ANC. Like why? Ayikho into engingayenza maybe ngosukuleni namhlanje. Ngihambe nohlala spend isikhathi do something productive, something like ezokwazi increase ama chances as South Africa ukuthi iphile la ukuthi leyo support ANC. Yiyo ama-country, yiyo ama-province I'm saying, yiyo ama-province azenza ukuthi ANC ingaphumi embusweni. One of my province azenza ukuthi ANC ingaphumi to umbuso wayo. Fact. It's great. I want baseLimpopo start to believe uMalema when la khona athi khona people of vendors are stupid and are fools, even though we despair their government, they still the same guy obviously ama-vendor nabantu baseLimpopo stupid and fools. Na same people nagcwalisa. The same guy what vendor is very far. Limpopo is very far. They don't care about anything. We even despair their government and they don't care. Asamagama. Yet nina nahamba futhi nogcwalisa istadium saseThoyandou. Yeah, sometimes I start to believe uMalema bayakhuluma ngezinto kanje. What if vele we are really stupid? Like vele like njengoba asho akusini imali emoshe kanje, and still you fill up stadium CEFF. You still yabo yacaca ukuthi you don't see change. You see nafana nje nabantu be-ANC. On a serious note, nafana nabantu be-ANC, nafana nabantu be-EFF, nafana nabantu be-IFP, nafana nabantu be-DA. You don't see change. Ngisho nabe-MK niyafana. Andifuni ukubheka i-change. That's just there. Ngathi ngamahashi nivalekile la one side. You only look straight and andifuni ukubheka emaceleni. You don't want to see change. Stupid. Yeah, bangithukile abantu be-ANC to the previous video, but it's fine. Sikhoda but manje. Yeah, mina ngiyayizwa into show madam.
This is ANC rally. Ibilapha ya eLimpopo. Yeah, ibilapha eLimpopo. Bafowethu ngifuna ukuphawula ngale rally ngoba ngiyabona einkundleni zokuxhumana kupostwa ngale rally. Ake ngiphawule nami ngale rally ANC. Bafowethu khonto sengiyibonile. amaqembu ezepolitiki bafethu ahlakaniphile. Angifuni ukukhuluma ANC yodwa because lento ayenziwa ANC yedwa. Maningi amaqembu ayenzayo, o-EFF bayenza, maningi bafethu amaqembu ayenzayo. Ikakhulukazi lamaqembu aluza izinamba ayenza lento sizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje. Umuhlakaniphile ke uzongizwa umuhlakaniphile. Uyabona uANC into usuyenza namanye nje amaqembu abasayi ezitedium lezi ezinkulu ezifana no Soccer City Lokhuzani Moses Mabhida Stadium, abasayi kulezo zitedium lezo. Sevele bebizele amarali wabo kulezi zitedium ezama ground ezina grandstand encane yabo, ekubese bayi-ground phansi. Uyazi bafowethu, konke ngifuna ukunitshela mhlawumbe ningakaze niyinake. Abave bebaningi abantu abasegroundini. Thatha abantu abasegroundini uba seku grandstand. Vele singagcwala isidala istadium. Hey, bafethu, let me repeat it again. Mhlawumbe nizwa kahle lento. Uyabona abantu mabephansi noma mhlawumbe basemgwaqweni noma basegroundini, baningi labo bantu. Baningi labo bantu labo. Once abantu baphansi, baningi labo bantu. Bathathe labo bantu abaphansi base grandstand. Ubone ukuthi sizogcwala yini stadium. Yabona abantu laba baningi. Labantu baningi labo. Kodwa mungabathatha labantu, ubathathe ubase grandstand, ubase elokhuzaneni mhlawumbe eMabhida. Angakhulumi ngeSoccer City, ngisakhuluma ngeMabhida kuphela. Yazi labantu bangaba ingcosana kanjani? Lento ke ngikhuluma from experience. I know what I'm talking about. Thina sijwayele ukuba nezinkonzo mhlawumbe ezitedium ezifana noMabhida go Absa Stadium. Uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe istadium besingagcwele bengayona full capacity. But uma sesiphuma enkonzweni sesihamba lapha phansi we ngendlela esuke sibaningi ngakhona, baningi bafethu abantu abaphansi. Uthola ukuthi mhlambe okay sinenkonzo lapha ya elokhuzaneni eMabhida, kube nesikhathi ke sokuthi sehle siyolokhuzana, siye groundini siyolokhuza amakhwaya, sigcwale egroundini, ungabonakala nokuthi ku grandstand mhlawumbe bambala abantu abaphungukile baye groundini. Ungabonakala ukuthi khona abantu abesuka egrandstand baye groundini, kodwa uthola iground seligcwele liyanyimfika iground. Bafowethu baningi abantu abaphansi kunabantu ababa ku grandstand. So amaqembu ke njengamanje asesibonile leso strategy. Amaqembu ezepolitiki akasafuni ukusebenzisa amalokhuzana, ama-stadiums amakhulu ngoba kuzoba ihlazo, angeke sigcwale istadium, angeke sigcwale. So amaqembu akhetha manje ukusebenzisa lama ground anyana azi ukuthi abantu kulula ukuthi babe baningi mabegcwele phansi, khona sizobabaza sithi hey iPLANC okuthiwa iyaphela, iPLANC okuthiwa iyaphela, iPLANC okuthiwa iyaphela. Bafuna sibabaze. Kanti hayi bafowethu, we are very very intelligent. Nanokuthi ke bafowethu okunye ekumele sikukhumbule, phela kuvoti labo bantu kuphela. Yabo mhlawumbe njengoba iANC ibine rally eLimpopo, mhlawumbe labantu laba mhlawumbe bawu-20,000 ngiyalinganisa. Labantu laba 20,000 people, abantu abaningi ngabi mabephansi, yabo. Mhlawumbe labantu bawu-20,000. Abantu abawu-20,000 bafowethu abenzi ngisho isithi eyodwa makuvota abantu abawu-20,000. So ningabothuswa abantu nje abasegroundini, ningabothuswa nje leyo nto. Amamillion abantu abavotayo nabothuswa bafethu amarali Inganithusi. Ngisho noma ngabe ngagcwala istadium, ngisho abantu abagcwalisa istadium mhlawumbe ama-seat awu-2 kuphela makuvoto, only 2 cities makuvoto. Abantu abavota eSouth Africa amamiliyoni, and sikhumbule futhi la bekusele Mpompo la iANC ine support khona nase Eastern Cape ke. Kodwa Eastern Cape manje bayihlobuka manje ANC. Bekusele Mpompo ke laba fowethu. Asibonge ithuba. Bafowethu, hayi ngaze ngaphoxeka namhlanje. Ngaze ngaphoxeka. I'm very very disappointed. Yazi bafowethu, namhlanje ekseni ngenze ivideo la ngikhuluma ngerally ye-ANC ibilapha ya eLimpopo. I'm very disappointed bafowethu. Ngifake isithombe kuleya video. Isithombe ngisithathe epageini lika SG lapha ku Facebook lika SG we-ANC ufikile Mbalula. Cabanga bafethu umuntu omdala kangaka umholi weqembu elikhulu kangaka azofaka into eyifake efaka isithombe seAI. Mina ngeke ngakholelwa mina ukuthi laba bantu abavela kulesa sithombe yibona abantu bebe attende le rally yaseLimpopo. That is why ngize ngenza ivideo ngafaka lesa sithombe. But now I'm very very disappointed ukuthi kanti befaka isithombe seAI. Yihlazo. Hayi ihlazo wazi waphupha ANC, wazi waphupha. Mani kwazi ukufaka nezithombe zeAI. Can you imagine? Nami ngeke ngiyenza nje lo wamsangano. Owenziwa SG wonke uzofaka isithombe seAI. Mina bengayitsheli. Sengizwa abantu comment section bethi hayi relax my brother iAI. Hayi bo ngiqale ngithi mina cha irally ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ibikhona ngithi hayi akuyona bafethu AI. Ibikhona irally. Hawu mangichecka ngempela hayibu angayithola original pic. Nayi original pic yabantu bebe attendele ya rally. Nayi ile ngcosana yabantu. Bazosifakela isithombe seAI. Ukube kuthiwa mhlawumbe abantu nje ku Facebook abantu nje abayifakele lesa sithombe bengeke ngize ngiphoxeke. But into engiphoxa kakhulu umholi wonke top 6 ye-ANC uSG we-ANC uzokwazi ukufaka isithombe seAI. Ayikho indaba ANC. Iyekwa lento.
One way or the other, we cannot take away the fact that the ANC filled Makwela Stadium the same way the EFF filled Tuando Stadium. The only difference is that the stadium that the ANC filled, it accommodates or it can have a capacity of taking few people than the stadium of the EFF. So the only difference is that the ANC chose to go there and create an AI generated picture saying that they fill the stadium. We know they fill the stadium, but the picture below, it's AI. The picture above is the reality of the stadium. The ANC just over-exaggerated this thing because they knew that they can't fill the stadium to that extent. If you want to see that this one is AI generated, check these yellow things. There were 6 in the original picture. But now when you check in that one, that is AI generated, there are 8 or 9. You understand? That's where you see that no, this thing is AI generated. Guys, do not be fooled. The ANC filled the stadium, correct. But the numbers that they are showing in the AI generated picture is just over-exaggerating. And it's sad that even leaders of the ANC, they are putting that picture there to compare themselves with the EFF. By the way, this, I don't understand why is it happening. A 110 years organization is comparing itself with a 13 years organization. That should be embarrassing. Sisman.
EFF is the future, whether we like it or not. What is the future? The future is when the idea is bought by young people. EFF is the future. Whether we like that or not, whether you like it or not, they are the future. It's the only party with sound political policies, with sound manifesto, with sound young articulators, with we can speak the whole night, the whole day, the whole week. EFF is the future. We can have all the debates and so on, but EFF is the future. I emphasize this because it's the only party that no matter where they are, they can have a rally in the Northwest, Limpopo, Vhembe, whatever region, whatever province, EFF will still have the young people making sure that they are there, seated, listening to the political lectures, political education, and so on. It's the only party that we've got young people from very young ages who knows how to articulate a particular position of the party. Whether we like it or not, EFF is the future. This weekend, EFF was at Thohoyandou Stadium, full with young people, not even people of my age who are 40 plus, people who are 40 years and so on. Young people who understand what needs to happen. Young people that will be here in the future, are people that are attending. The future is bright for the EFF and Africa at large. Whether we like that or not, we can hate the EFF, you can hate the EFF, you can say whatever you want about the EFF, you can say whatever you want about the leader himself, but how can you deal with the young people that are being politicized? As much as the media and so on, they're trying to depoliticize the youth, but EFF, on the other hand, is making sure that the youth are politicized. Youth of this country are politicized. They understand what is black consciousness. They understand what is radical transformation. They understand what is radical economic transformation and so on. How do you beat that? The EFF is no longer about Malema. It's beyond Malema now. It's beyond about the current leadership. It's about the future. The EFF is that future. Whether we want to believe that or not, whether you want to believe that or not, EFF is the future.
Enye ezobulala abantu ngezinhliziyo ukulinda ukuthi iEFF ife. So balindile every year, every election siyafa. Check the event today at Thohoyandou. The EFF first announced the date of the celebration anniversary of 13th. ANC followed and announced their date also, same place, short distance. But guess what? They were humiliated. Can you imagine an old organization like the ANC trying to compete with the EFF, a party that is 13 years old? But they were humiliated, they were humbled. I think we must all rest now. The EFF is bigger than all of us, and it is here, it will exist even after we think it will die. In my pants, EFF is here to stay.
I would like to say congratulations to the EFF and the ANC on filling up the stadiums in Thohoyandou, Venda, Lochani, Ndimatekwana, Ngubafana Msizalo. So ANC and the EFF, they had the celebration in Thohoyandou in Venda. EFF, they had their 13th birthday, and then Dr. Popera Mutua also organized celebrations for the ANC. So we even seen helicopter move around the stadium, say EFF, whereby some of the EFF members said ukuthi phansi nge helicopter ANC phansi, but yeah, nevertheless. So also we seen lapha bebathula their manifesto EFF ukuthi this is their local government election manifesto, and also here on top I'll put the list of the EFF mayoral candidate for different metros, and also Ompilo Mawude. She was selected as the candidate for EFF mayoral candidate for the city of Tshwane. And also she was asked by you, Samuel Masayo, like we've seen allegations that they were brought forward by Madlang Commission of Inquiry, and also Julius Malema being implicated in some of the things. Like guys, when we are a member of the EFF, you have to protect Julius Malema to such an extent. Like I'm still standing by my words. If those implications were done with the member, one of the members of the CCT or one of the members of the EFF, ngabe usesekhona ngabe kudala bamdismiss, but just because of ngoba it's Julius Malema, they are turning the blind eye. But whenever there's Zokuthini, and also Omphile, some of the red flags that she said, she further said if the ANC is tendering, so why should their organization members should not tender? She was saying if ever ANC iyadla, why should ama member wethu EFF nabo bangadli? One of the red flags. And I understand EFF has been under ANC lapha ekuruleni, and if ever you can look ekuruleni manje, like everything it's a mess with zero traffic light working, 90% of the streets lights aguma pothole yini, and then they can do better. Meanwhile, they were co-governing with the ANC. As guys, you let me know in the comment section. But all I can tell you, I still believe this thing of filling up our stadiums, it won't give abantu employment, it won't give a service delivery. Let's go to the people and work for the people and give people jobs rather than booking stadiums and promising them things that they will never happen. For the last 32 years it has been happening like that. So let me know in the comment section what we think about what happened today. Cheers.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment your thoughts below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.